I'd like to show you how to install this Google Chrome extension I've made to scrape the progress logs from Khan Academy. There are a couple steps to doing this. The first one is to download the code itself. So you'll have to look in the description of the video, but there will be a link to this GitHub repository. If you've never used open source software before, recognize that open source software is software that is developed by people around the world, and it constantly changes. So as other people find errors in my code, they may submit the solution to it, and then the code will get updated. And so recognize that this may change frequently. And if you find errors in this code, if you're a programmer, feel free to try to figure out what the problem is and help fix the problem. And then it can be fixed for everyone. But another thing that's kind of great about this is that you can actually see what's going on inside the software that you're installing. And so, this is, from a security standpoint, this is very effective because it allows you to see if you're installing a potential virus on your computer. So I encourage everybody to go ahead and look at this code and verify that it is in fact virus free, which it is. But you are able to look at this code. Right now, this is version 1.01. So depending on when you're watching this video, it's possible that this video is showing an outdated version. But right now, there are two extensions in this code base. One is the student activity log. The other is a teacher activity log. And I'm going to show you how to install both of them. But on this page, it gives you some explanation as to why I created this, and then it gives some minor instructions, which I'm going to go through right now on how to install it. But again, if you want to look at this code, it's all right here. So there's all this code that makes this work right here. To install this, go to the main page here and scroll down to the download version 1.01. Again, in the future, this may be if you're watching this a year from now when I've made this video, this may be a different version, but I'll try to keep it in the same spot. So click on download this version. What it's going to do is it's going to pop up a save as window if you're on Windows. On a Mac, it's going to be a little bit different, but it should give it as a file name of Khan Academy with the version and a zip file. So just hit save. Then you're going to open up this folder and just extract it. So you can extract it to anywhere on your computer. Right now I'm in the downloads folder, and so it's right here, this Khan Academy 1.01. So just hold on to that for a minute. Then what you'll do next is open up a new tab in your Chrome browser. Remember, this only works in Google Chrome. It's not going to work in Safari. It's not going to work in Firefox. It's not going to work in Opera. You have to do this in Google Chrome. So in Chrome, you're going to type in Chrome://extensions. And then hit enter. It's going to give you this view. And what you're going to need to do is you need to turn on developer mode. When you turn on developer mode, it's going to give you some new buttons over here on the left. So click on load unpacked, and you're going to go to that downloads folder that you just created. We're going to do the student activity log first. So click on the student activity log, and then just choose select folder. What's going to happen is you're going to see a new box here that's going to say Khan Academy student activity log. This version number currently is wrong. That's something I will fix. But secondly, what you're going to see is you're going to see a new button up here in the browser. So when you click on this, it should give you a little pop-up. It's going to give you some instructions on how to run it. And then to run it, you just basically click that button. So we're not going to run it right now. I'm just going to show you how to install. So anyways, this is the student activity log. And then to load the teacher activity log, you click load unpacked. Go up, choose the teacher activity log, and then do select folder. And so now you'll see a Khan Academy activity log. I'm going to change that to teacher activity. And again, this version number is wrong. This is just a bug. This is a minor thing that needs to be changed. So you should now see two boxes. One is going to be the student activity log, and the other one is just the activity log. The teacher version has a little magic wand. So this one's a little bit different than the student version. The teacher one is going to give you a way to download the data and import it into a spreadsheet. So in any case, you should have two buttons here, one for the teacher version and one for the student version. So I hope this was of use to you. Please ask questions if you have them, and keep your eye on this channel for some other videos on how to use these.